Since my last 5 TikTok videos, I had less than 300,000 followers on TikTok. Now today, after those 5, I have over 650,000 followers. And in this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the best tips and tricks that you can go utilize to go out there and gain hundreds of thousands of followers on TikTok. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before I get started in this video, make sure and give me a thumbs up button on this video because supposedly it helps the YouTube algorithm. Make sure and come subscribe if you guys are brand new. And if you guys are on TikTok, make sure and drop your username in the comment section down below. But we're gonna get right to this video and we're gonna start with tip number 1. Tip number 1 is having your video less than 15 seconds. Now, obviously, there's a lot of creators on the platform that are talking about how you should have the video more than 15 seconds. But here's what I want to break down for those of you. The average human attention span on TikTok is currently 1 to 3 seconds. If you don't grab somebody's attention the first 1 to 3 seconds, you are no way, shape, or form going to be able to hold them there for your 45-second video, which is then going to have TikTok looking at the algorithm saying this video is no good. It's only got a 3-second view duration, but it's a 45-second video. I'm not going to put this on the For You page. Now, if your video is 15 seconds and you got a 3-second, you have a higher likely of your video actually going viral and getting pushed by the algorithm of TikTok because, again, you have more view duration and it's a shorter video and people see that and are more inclined to stay tuned. Tip number 2 is going to be make sure you are posting somewhat relative but high quality videos on the platform. Now, again, I have other videos on this you guys can go check out about TikTok particularly and what camera equipment that I utilize. But again, no matter what, you still have an iPhone or you have an Android or you have some sort of phone that allows you to shoot a short 15-second video that allows you to upload it into TikTok and then make your edits there. Heck, you can even make multiple edits inside the TikTok app after you've already uploaded your videos. Now, obviously, currently right now on this YouTube video, I'm actually using a Canon. Now, a lot of other videos, I use Sony. I have a Sony 6400. I got a Sony a7 III. But for a lot of my TikTok videos, I actually use what's called a G7X. And you can actually get a G7X on Amazon for less than $700. Or you can use the new iPhone 12 that actually allows you to shoot your TikTok videos, upload it into high quality, put on your emojis, which is going to be actually step number 3. Step number 3, and this has been actually common for individuals on the platform of TikTok. Now, again, I didn't realize this until I started seeing more TikToks pop up and really more comments pop in on my videos getting millions of hundreds of thousands of views saying, Austin, I actually can't hear, I'm deaf, but I can see. So can you put what it is that you're saying on the videos for a short amount of time for me to be able to read it? So deaf individuals can't necessarily hear what it is that you're saying. So you're gonna have to show them what it is that you're saying, which there is a large amount of individuals that are actually deaf on the platform of TikTok that really want to know what it is that you're saying. Now, obviously, with that becomes a lot of commotion. Think of a lot of pop-ups as you guys are seeing right now of just random things. Guess what it's doing? It's grabbing your attention. It's holding your attention span a little bit longer, aka the first 3 seconds of the video, aka the first 3 seconds of your attention span. So that is going to be tip number 3. Tip number 4 is going to be quite simple, and that is utilizing popular songs. So you could have a video absolutely not related whatsoever to the song, like the trending songs you've seen go viral. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then just download TikTok if you don't have it. Go onto your For You page and look what a lot of those songs are. A lot of those songs are trending. And again, you have anywhere from funny sounds, you have anywhere from sad sounds, you got anywhere from crazy dances, and you got anywhere from inspiring music. Utilizing a sound on your TikToks are going to increase the views dramatically simply because everybody that goes onto that sound can view whoever has viewed or whoever has actually done the video on TikTok with that sound, which then increases the amount of views organically, which then TikTok sees that it's growing organically, and then they go ahead and push it on the For You page. And lastly, tip number 5 is going to be make sure and have a call to action. A lot of you guys will see me in my TikTok videos. Now, again, I want to remind you, this is what works for me. A lot of you guys have been wanting me to make this video for you, so hopefully you can take it like a buffet table, take what you like and leave what you don't like. But at the end of the day, I always have to have a call to action. Stop scrolling if you want to be Stop scrolling if you follow me. Stop scrolling if you want me to get you some. People won't do what it is that you don't tell them to do. So if you don't tell them to like the video, chances are they're not going to like the video. If you don't tell them to comment on the video, chances are they're not going to comment on the video. If you don't tell them to follow you, chances are they're not going to follow you. Ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you guys got some massive value from this video. Again, if you guys are on TikTok, make sure and drop your username in the comment section down below. Make sure and share this with a couple of your friends that are trying to go absolutely viral on TikTok. If you guys are brand new here, make sure and come subscribe. Follow me on TikTok. It's the same as my YouTube, and it's also the same as my Instagram, and that is at the Austin Lewis. Again, growing anywhere from 5 to 15,000 followers a day right now, and if I can do it, I know you can too. Austin Lewis here saying we'll see you guys in a future YouTube video.